a guilty person's evidence
Miss
is so relevant, then
Lekhi.
on A. Raja's evidence, both the Prime
Miss
Minister
Lekhi, may I
and
please
Mr.
come in to
Chidambaram
only
should
request
resign.
you? Miss Lekhi, you are going to every possible subject, and let me tell you one thing. I have never ever in my entire career as a journalist seen the BJP have so much faith in the journalism of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. Because the Ghazwa Times, considered to be a mouthpiece of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, said Nusrat Jahan was their operative. I never believed we would have a situation where a BJP representative on the program tonight would say, I swear by what the Jamaat-ud-Dawa says. You want to say that the people of this country should believe that the BJP believes what the Jamaat-ud-Dawa publishes? That you believe what the Lashkar-e-Toiba says? I don't believe that. Miss Lekhi, answer my very direct question tonight. I'm asking this question to you once again, please, 1 minute. My question to you is whether or not that 19-year-old girl was a terrorist. Okay? Whether or not she was, as you say, 1 second, you believe...
19-year-old girl was a terrorist as per the IB input of the central government.
Please,
and that central government which was run at that time by Mr. Shivraj Singh Patil as the Home Minister, not by a BJP government.
No, Miss, you see, 1 second. Why are you constantly, Miss Lekhi... Mr. Sinha, I'm coming to you right after this to respond. Constantly, Miss Lekhi, there are two parts of my question. The moment I reach the comma, you stop me. And now I request you, because I'll mention the comma as I put my question. My question is phrased in the following manner. Whether or not that 19-year-old girl was a terrorist, comma, can anything justify a fake encounter, comma, and will the BJP believe that a fake encounter can be carried out without the knowledge of any of the political bosses in the state?
For any encounter in this country, I would be very interested, other than Gujarat, which encounters have been investigated, which home ministers have been called and hauled up.
So you are saying this is
have been called.
So you're justifying. I don't understand.
This is a political statement.
No, do you see?
Police is not reporting, is not working. Police within its system has its own independence, and you can't straight away at a political time. And I am going to make a statement tonight that this is nothing but a political conspiracy, and it is for that reason we are going to await what happens tomorrow and the timing further. We have seen it in the past. We are seeing it again. This is so relevant. On NIA's evidence, the CBI officers should
I put the question to the audience on the News Hour tonight.
Evidence.
I put the question to the audience on the News Hour tonight that the argument is simply this tonight, which Meenakshi Lekhi puts forth, and Mukul Sinha respond to it.
Will not declare
the question tonight, Meenakshi Lekhi says that many states have had encounters. One, in no other states have politicians been investigated too. By which I were to surmise that Meenakshi Lekhi says because other states have encounters, we too can have our share of encounters. You haven't questioned them, don't question us. I don't understand this logic because two wrongs don't make a right.
Encounter to be fake encounter.
Mukul Sinha's response to you, he heard you.
That's what I'm saying.
He heard you. Let him respond.
Encounters in the country.
I can't hear your question with her shouting on top of her voice. It is very difficult to figure out what your question is.
1 second. The question is this. Meenakshi Lekhi, allow me, please. Allow me. What he's asking for is a paraphrasing of what you said.
I'm sorry.
I thought she had already learned her good manners when she put up her finger.
A panel of 4:1.
But again, she
is not 4:1. Where is it 4:1? 1 second. Meenakshi Lekhi, there's Jainarayan Vyas as well. Please, if you allow me, Miss Meenakshi Lekhi.
Accused police officers on the investigation.
Original self.
Miss Lekhi, you talk about... Miss Lekhi, please allow me now. Let me remind you, only a month ago, the BJP held an elaborate press conference in your alleged political conspiracy against Amit Shah, Gulabchand Kataria and Rajendra Rathod. Arun Jaitley produced a CBI note to allege an implication of Narendra Modi in the Sarabuddin case. Right? So why do you overlook the fact that it cannot be unnatural to probe whether there was a larger political conspiracy? You are the party which constantly speaks of political conspiracy. You see a conspiracy everywhere, Ms. Lekhi. Then why are you not allowing someone else to ask whether the police officers carried out a fake encounter because of a political conspiracy? But when somebody else talks about a political conspiracy, you get all self-righteous and indignant. And you say, oh my God, political conspiracy.
Can I respond now?
Mukul Sinha is responding to Meenakshi Lekhi on the News Hour tonight. Mukul Sinha, your turn.
Yeah. Firstly, let me tell you something important. You see, today we had a case where Mr. Pandey, PP Pandey, who had actually started the entire question of this Israt being a terrorist, he had filed a writ petition asking for the quashing of his FIR. Now the court said in no uncertain term that he has been declared as a proclaimed offender and an absconder, so he has no right to file a case. Otherwise also he had absolutely no case because he was prima facie held to be an accused in the FIR. Now I pose a question to Ms. Lekhi, that your Director General of Police, he was the one who called Israt the terrorist, and he is the guy who has run away for 1.5 months. Now if the second topmost cop runs away, then how do you prove Israt
I get Jainarayan Vyas to respond to that. He hasn't spoken. Jainarayan Vyas responds to that. He heard that. Jainarayan Vyas responds to that.
Arnab, let me first say that, nobody in the right sense of mind would say that anybody who is killed in this country is all right. We don't say that. There are laws in this country and the law takes its own course. So there is no point in debating over this issue. I am coming straight away therefore to your third question. You are trying to link this with the political bosses or the political conspiracy being involved in this, and I will squarely say no. Because the CBI itself, it is here, the conduct of the CBI, the conduct of the UPA government must appear to be about doubt. Caesar's wife should be about doubt. Why MHA has to change the affidavit twice? Why CBI failed to file the charge sheet, and why somebody was given the benefit of default bail? Why the officer of the IB was questioned bypassing the normal procedures which are followed in the government?
The issue is, why did your DGP run away? Why don't you answer that question?
These are precisely the issues. These are precisely the issues.
Inducement.
See, you take anything, your conduct speaks a million about it. Whether the CBI is a caged parrot or not, I don't have to say it. The apex court of the country has said it. And therefore, before you take the word from CBI on its face value,
is that the only argument you have? Is that the only argument you have?
The question,
is that the only argument the BJP has that the CBI is a caged parrot?
And therefore, no, Arnab, I am saying that. I am saying that therefore, when the CBI's conduct is not above the doubt, let us await the charge sheet. Let us know what is exactly.
Then why do you want to await the charge sheet? Why do you want to await the charge sheet? Will your position change depending on whether the CBI says what you want them to say? Why do you want to wait for the charge sheet?
सवाल का जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे कि आपका डीजीपी क्यों भाग गया? आपका डीजीपी क्यों भाग गया?
Shakti Singh Goyal responding here. 2 minutes on the news hour debate. Shakti Singh Goyal is responding. Then I'm going back to Meenakshi Lekhi. Shakti Singh Goyal.
मैं जवाब देती हूँ
क्योंकि आपके तो मिनिस्टर्स भाग जाते हैं. आपके तो मिनिस्टर्स भाग जाते हैं.
आपसे हिंदी में पूछ रहा हूँ.
No, 6 sitting ministers in Andhra Pradesh under the CBI scanner. Sitting ministers.
आपके तो ministers भाग जाते हैं.
No, I want to say something. Because in encounter cases, every encounter in Gujarat has been made out to be a fake encounter, and that is where the political conspiracy lies. The misuse of CBI, and a terrorist lawyer cannot determine whether his client or her client is a terrorist or not. He is not an independent person. The third point, the additional DG may have gone away because we know how the CBI has been misused, including no bail has been granted to any cop who has ever been involved, say even falsely in these cases. And it is for this reason
Mr. Kalmadi was to disappear tomorrow.
And it is in this case.
One second. Meenakshi Lekhi, one question. Allow me. That's a dangerous line of argument, Ms. Lekhi. Dangerous line of argument. Let me tell you that. Because by that logic, if Suresh Kalmadi were to disappear tomorrow. No, 1 second. If Suresh Kalmadi were to disappear tomorrow, or A. Raja were to disappear tomorrow, then by the same logic, Meenakshi Lekhi, you should be supporting them, saying that, you know,
I'm
you
sorry.
can't trust the CBI and these people have a right to disappear. What kind of argument is that?
I am only putting the facts. If Suresh Kalmadi is out on bail, if A. Raja is out on bail, if Kanimoi can be re-elected as the Rajya Sabha MP, we need to see how law is applied in this country.
We need to know whether anyone, including a 19-year-old person,
are less powerful than the sitting.
Rita Bahuguna Joshi responding. 1 minute, I'm extending the debate. Miss Joshi, Miss Joshi is responding. Miss Joshi.
Who decides will be out on bail?
Allowed to be on bail.
Who decides?
And that too.
Miss Joshi.
Default bail because CBI did not file the charge sheet.
Last response, Miss Joshi.
Miss Lekhi, you cannot go endlessly talking.
Ms. Joshi, you do not know the law. Let Mr. Sinha answer this.
Let Miss Joshi, I'll reply to that.
Yes, I know enough law as a citizen.
She doesn't know. In
and I know that you are questioning the discretion of the judiciary.
Will go out on bail.
I can see that you have no respect for judiciary.
It's not discretion. The discretion has not been exercised.
1 second, please. You've said enough. Now the question is, you talked about perceptions. You talked about misuse of agencies. All the agencies in the country are false and wrong. Only what your perception is right. The fact that from 2002 to 2004, not one, several fake encounters took place in all in Ahmedabad, all in the wee hours of the morning, all without witnesses, all in such shady matter that the court had to take cognizance.
Well, I don't know if
the SIT has come out. The SIT has called it a fake encounter. The judicial magistrate has called it a fake encounter. But you pronounce a separate judgment.
Well, I think no encounter can be fake, and I think there can be no justification for it. The charge sheet comes tomorrow. We have a big debate at 9 p.m. on the NewsHour tomorrow on this story. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 2 on the NewsHour tonight.